Welcome back to Medic Health. Today I am going to discuss with you Readitic 5 mg tablets. The uses, side effects, interactions, contraindications and medicinal uses and direction to use. I am going to tell you in this video, friends. Let's start uses of these medications. Readitic uses. So it contains the tadalafil 5 mg tablets. So I am going to tell you the uses of this medication. This tadalafil is majorly works on the phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitor and particularly for the indication of who are all having the benign prostatic hyperplasia and then also the PAH, pulmonary arterial hypertension. This medicine is first ever is discovered for the hypotension and hypertension patients. It can be used as per the doctor's suggestion and with prescribed means you have to go ahead with it, friends. And also it works for majorly most of the people knows that tadalafil is particularly used for the erectile dysfunction. What is meant by erectile dysfunction means it is an importance. It is defined by difficulty and getting an erection, and it can be an embarrassing thing to talk about. It's mostly happen the peoples who are all in the age of 40 to 70, friends. So it also having the most of the side effects also. Firstly, it is discovered particularly for the cardiovascular disease, that type of medication disease, but nowadays everyone is started to use for the penile erection, and it is increasing the blood flow on your penis, friends. So that's why the erection is to be timing it get increased while you are having the intercourse, the physical contact, friends. So most over if we are talking in the YouTube openly means they will block my video, so I am talking in highlighted points only. So now I am going to tell you the mechanism of action. So it will works for the benign prostatic hyperplasia, which is the phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitor and reduction in the smooth muscle and also the endothelial cell proliferation. And this is particularly for the sexual stimulation also. Why means this is the physiological mechanism erection involve the release of nitric oxide in the penis, friends, and corpus callosum during the sexual stimulation. This is the major work, friends. And now I am going to tell you that it also contains many different type of side effects. It may leads to heart attack and also nausea, flushing syndrome and respiratory tract infection, and those people are continuously they are taking, they having the symptoms of headache and stubborn headache also, and dizziness, hyposthesia and insomnia, pain, paresthesia, hypertension, and then tolerance effect and resistance and nasal congestion, and then also having the abnormal heartbeat and or either they may cause hypotension, very low bradycardia means very low heartbeat, friends, and pulse may also reduce. So before taking this, if you be the healthy person, they have to take. Who are all having the problems of cardiovascular problem, they should avoid. And then now I am going to tell you the interactions, the medicines we should not take with this dapoxinate and then fusidic acid, nitroprusside and then ryogugat and vasodilators, and then clofazamine and convipaton and dapoxetine and edafitinib. This type of medications you should not take. Monoclonal antibodies also including. And contraindications, overall having the cardiovascular, particularly the hearing loss, anginal chest pain and hypertension and vision loss, they should avoid this, friends. Now I am going to tell you the uses and direction to use of these medications. How to use of this medication. On your screen it is available. Readitic is 5 mg. It's manufactured by the Sinpha pharmaceutical. It comes with the 28 tablets. So these 5 mg, the direction to use and indication is particularly for mention I have in the previously. So one tablet you have to take daily for the problems who are all having the ED and also the BPH problem, benign prostatic hyperplasia. So only one tablet you should take and should not make the excess. If you are making the overdose may leads to the severe side effects and may lead to the fatal also, friends. This is the major uses, side effects, interactions and direction to use. How to use I have discussed you, friends. If you have any doubt, just leave the comment. I'll give the reply, friends. Thank you.